Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common frustration in Google Docs, those pesky highlights that just won't go away. If you're dealing with unwanted yellow or colored backgrounds on your text, especially with the latest 2025 updates, you're in the right place. This quick guide will show you how to get rid of them in no time, making your documents look clean and professional. Let's dive in. First off, why does this happen? In Google Docs, highlights are often applied accidentally when you're formatting text or copying and pasting from other sources. It's a handy feature for marking important sections, but when it's not what you want, it can be annoying. The good news is, removing it is straightforward, even with the new interface tweaks in 2025. Step 1. Open your Google Docs document. Make sure you're logged into your Google account and have the document pulled up on your computer or mobile device. If you're on mobile, the steps are similar but might look a bit different. I'll cover that too. Step 2. Select the highlighted text. Simply click and drag your cursor over the text that's highlighted. You'll see it get outlined, which means it's ready for editing. Step 3. Go to the toolbar at the top. Look for the Highlight button. It's usually in the formatting options, right next to bold, italic, and underline. In the 2025 version, it might have a fresh icon, like a paint bucket. Click on it to open the color menu. Step 4. To remove the highlight, select None or the No Color option from the drop-down. That's it, the highlight should disappear instantly. If you're on mobile, tap the formatting icon, go to Text or Background, and choose to clear the color. One more tip. If the highlight is stubborn, try copying the text into a new document or use the Clear Formatting option under the Format menu. This resets all styles and is a lifesaver for messy docs. There you have it. Your documents are now highlight-free. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Google tips. What's your biggest Google Docs headache? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.